on to some other news. Days after the Congress Party's farmer rally in the capital, the Aam Aadmi Party today is holding a Kisan rally at Jantar Mantar to protest against the centre's contentious land acquisition bill. The Aam Aadmi Party chief and Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal will address this rally. The party claims farmers from Chhattisgarh, Jharkhand, Punjab, Haryana, Odisha and the Bundelkhand and Purvanchal belt of Uttar Pradesh are participating in today's rally. Earlier, the Aam Aadmi Party had also planned to march to Parliament, but after being denied police permission, that march was called off.
Today, thousands and thousands of the farmers are coming from all across India to register the protest and to tell the government that if they don't stop this anti-farmer bill to become a law, then there will be an all India movement and will teach a lesson to both to Mr. Modi and BJP.
All right, and let's now go across to Sonal Mehrotra, who joins us from Jantar Mantar, the venue of that rally of the Aam Aadmi Party. Sonal, for once, the Aam Aadmi Party has decided not to take on the Delhi police, but in a sense, the party joins the growing chorus of opposition parties that have already been protesting the centre's land acquisition bill.
Well, that's right, Neha. Arvind Kejriwal, in his first protest rally post he took over as a CM of Delhi for the second time, has decided to target Narendra Modi in his land acquisition bill. Remember, it was just last month.
अब आप लोग हमें सुन लीजिए, फिर हम आपको भी सुनते हैं। एक बार मेरे साथ बोले भारत माता के। आवाज में एक बुलंदी हुई। ऐसी बुलंदी होनी चाहिए कि जिस काम के लिए हम यहाँ पर आए हैं, उसमें सफल हो जाए। भारत माता के। इनकलाब! इनकलाब! जय जवान! जय जवान! जय जवान! आज का प्रोग्राम हम प्रारंभ करते हैं।
And currently, I can tell you, at least 6 to 7,000 people, as far as I can see, are here. These are supposed to be farmers. Aam Aadmi Party. Aam Aadmi Party claims that these are farmers who've come from across the country, from various districts, not just Delhi, to protest against the land acquisition bill. Very interestingly, there are visuals like these. There's a man here who's come from Rajasthan, dressed as a scarecrow, and talks about how Modi ji ki Modi ji rich Chodo made, stop making these kind of say, stop making all the farmers a mazdoori list. आप बताएं आप किधर से आए हैं?
मैं राजस्थान से बूंदी जिले से।
आज केजरीवाल जी क्या कर सकते हैं? दिल्ली के सीएम में, लेकिन इस बिल के लिए क्या कर सकते हैं?
केजरीवाल जी पूरे भारत के किसानों को बुलाकर मोदी जी पे दबाव बना सकते हैं। मोदी जी अकेले किसी की नहीं सुन रहे हैं। वो किसान भाइयों को साथ लेकर और संसद तक बात निकालकर उन पर प्रेशर डाल सकते हैं।
Alright, that clearly is the agenda, really, but Aam Aadmi Party
आप सबको जिस तरह से राजपूत के भगत सिंह अशफाकुल्लाह खान जो हत्या फांसी का फंदा चूमते थे, आज उसी तरह हम सबको भी एक साथ मिलकर इस लड़ाई के अंदर आंदोलित होना है और एक बार मेरे साथ बोलना है भारत माता की।
But the big setback for Aam Aadmi Party is going to be of Ghera Yatra. Remember, this entire protest was supposed to be
हमारे जो पानी वाले
rally,
साथी
and
हैं
it was
थोड़ी
supposed
देर
to
के
be
लिए रुक
two
जाएं।
legs. One, the big rally here in Jantar Mantar, and the next was a march towards Sansad, towards Parliament, to try and bring attention to this bill.
जैसा कि समय से हमें
Their
कार्यक्रम
opposition
करना
to
है,
this bill, really.
हमारे
That
बीच
is
में
why
बलवीर भाटी
Delhi
जी है,
used to give
किरण मिश्रा जी
permission
है,
for the first time. Really, Aam Aadmi Party has conceded and decided not to get into direct confrontation. In fact, what's happening is that 15-member delegation will be going and talking to the agriculture minister and presenting a memorandum to him. But so far, here, we're expecting some fiery speeches, including Arvind Kejriwal, who will be taking on Prime Minister Narendra Modi. This time, back to you.
Right, Sonal, so the Aam Aadmi Party really, they're taking a non-confrontationist approach this time round, and after being denied permission by the Delhi police, calling off their march to Parliament. But as you mentioned there, Sonal, this is the first such rally that Arvind Kejriwal is holding here in the national capital since taking over as Chief Minister. Does the party in any way intend to have any kind of a tie-up or a tacit understanding with other opposition parties on this issue of the land acquisition bill?
मनवीर सिंह का नाम है।
Well, that's a little far-fetched, really, Neha. We do not have any confirmation to that as per now. I know.
किरण मिश्रा जी से मैं अनुरोध करूंगा कि हमारे पास समय की बहुत कमी है, तो अरविंद जी आ जाएंगे, फिर वो प्रोग्राम से सारे चले जाएंगे, कोई नहीं बोल पाएगा। इसलिए मैंने भी अपनी कविता नहीं बोली है। कार्यक्रम प्रारंभ करते हैं। एक बार जोरदार ताली से स्वागत करें और भारत माँ के नारे के साथ बुलंद भारत माता के, भारत माता के। किरण मिश्रा जी
from various states, especially those who are going to polls very soon. This includes UP and Bihar as well. So all these places, they've got their supporters come in here, join in one voice to stand up as an opposition against Narendra Modi. But how far will this really go? We'll have to wait and watch. Currently, it's only, like I said, a delegation which will be going. But very interestingly, Neha, before I go ahead, let me just take you back to the visuals here. Very interesting set of people have come in here in Jantar Mantar. You've got these really nice, cutouts of Arvind Kejriwal wearing a fancy turban. One would wonder if he's catched up a tip or two of how to dress up and catch attention of the media from Narendra Modi on that front. In that turban, you've also got balloons here which have the face of Arvind Kejriwal doing all rounds. And these people, really a lot of women also on this side of the crowd here who've come over trying to give their voice to Arvind Kejriwal. We understand the preparation have been going pretty grand. And behind me also, where the stage is set, we've got leaders coming in. But it's only around 1 o'clock or so that we'll have Arvind Kejriwal come in and address the crowds.